github.com, click on sign in button, click on sign in. See this user profile icon, right? Here click on this one, go to settings. The left side you can find SSH and GBG keys. Click on this one. Here you can see that SSH key setup. Okay, so I don't have any SSH key right now. So here you can see this connecting to GitHub using SSH keys. Click on this link. This page will guide you how you can set up the SSH key. Okay, scroll down. Here you can find generating a new SSH key and adding into the SS agent. Okay, click on this one. Scroll down. Steps you are going to be follow for set up the SSH key. Okay, so here open the git bash. Already we are installed git bash, right? Open the git bash. Okay, so here you can see copy this text, okay, which is ed2559, then the email id. I just copy, open the notepad, paste it. Here you can edit your email address. Give your email address, which email address you given for the GitHub account. That email ID have to mention it here. Okay. So now I'm just copy this command again. Go to git bash, paste over here. Press enter. Here you can see generating the public private key. The key has saved inside this path under C drive user sangeeta.natarajan under .ssh. Here you can find the key. Okay. If you want to save any location, you have to give the location. I don't want to give any location. I have to keep it the key inside this default location itself. Okay. Press enter. So here also I don't want to give any password. Press enter. So now the key has generated and saved inside this path. Okay, so now let's open the folder which is this PC, C drive, users, which is my name sangeeta.natarajan. Here you can find .ssh. Inside folder you can find this file which is n-bub, which is bubbly. Okay, open this one, notepad. So you have find the key here. Okay, copy this key, then go back to GitHub account, click on user profile icon, click on settings, click on this SSH option, the left hand side, click on new SSH key. Here I am going to be give the title as git demo. I am going to be paste this key now. Now click on add SSH key. You have successfully added the key git demo. Okay, so now you are updated key successfully.